I was reached out by the client to take a look at building them these new control rooms. Evertz being the primary vendor that's providing conceptuals for the router, which is basically the brain of the system. We are doing something that everybody says could not be done. All of the big name companies that would have been invited to this project declined it because the timeline is so strict and crazy.
The system was actually designed by the client. The client had very specific knowledge of what they wanted, very specific brands and systems they wanted to use. They needed somebody to execute it and document it. And that's where Mike asked me to come in. As a designer, engineer, draftsman, we were able to take all of their materials, which were scattered in various formats, and asked to complete drawings, to create the wire run list, to realize and help them build what it is that they had designed. Normally we do design work, but in this case, the client did the design. We are here to help them execute it.
Each project has the 80% that gets done relatively quickly, and then the last 20% takes just as long as it took to do the first 80. So we're still in that first 80 and pushing forward, and we're adding and subtracting guys from the crew all the time. As far as what's more to come, they keep adding to our scope, essentially. So there is a lot more to do for this client.
The biggest challenge has been trying to get engineering done in a timely fashion and building a team that could do this. These are state-of-the-art systems that not a lot of people are doing right now. The 2110 system is cutting edge for the broadcast industry.
We're over at the other studios looking at this other gig.
Everybody's running scared and straight. It couldn't be any better.
Well, we don't want them to run scared. If people are scared, let's make sure that they're not scared. It's just about doing the right thing.
Malik and Zach have tuned it up completely perfectly, and it's not scared. They're just doing their job. No, and that's what anybody expects here. But if they're not used to doing their job and now they're doing it, so they might be running a little scared, making sure they're not messing up. So no, it's been real clean.
Well, we had those two guys there before, and they were just toxifying the air, getting those guys out of there and showing the rest of the crew that there's consequences for those kind of behaviors and actions. Hopefully that tuned everybody up. I guess that's what worked.
Who's Jimmy Trifon?
And I jump off the car. Like, we'll get everybody back to work. Like it never happened.
I'm James Trifon. That's the guy right there.
Say the words again.
James Trifon.
Oh, I love that guy.
Hey, how you doing?
It's like a reality show.
Did you get that cord back?
No, not yet.
Oh,
I'll bring it back.
your reality's coming to an end.
My role came a little bit bigger here on this particular job. There was a couple of issues, and I had to step up a little bit, and I don't mind. I've known Mike, like I said, my whole life, and I care, and I care about the company. But it's mostly for Mike, because you get somebody that you love, you just take care of them no matter what. You don't question anything. You just show up.
I'm Clem Phillips. I'm Senior Broadcast Engineer. I have a team of engineers, design engineers who've been working on this project. I'm here right now to support the team with any engineering questions they might have.
And these rooms, they need really specific instructions of what goes where, so that when they're hooking up wires to devices, they know exactly which device and exactly where it's going to be.
So we're installing some of the equipment, and we're trying to fix the external panels in here, and then we start cabling, trying to put in all the cables back to the monitors and make it look good.
BV MK-R10.
Yeah, it's going good. Day's going pretty good. It's smooth. It's a little hot today in one of the rooms, so I'm trying to get the guys some AC.
Things are going great. We've been here for 6 months now. Started in April. Rack and stack was chaos, but you guys did great. Last time I came in, I had a big meeting with everybody. I told everyone that we had 3 weeks. It seems like we're at a point now where we've turned over the rooms. They're doing their best or darndest to try to break it, as they usually do for us, right? So they're breaking it, and we're coming back in and fixing it. We've gotten this far. We've delivered PCR, ACR5. What's our next big deliverable? Is that going to be PCR, ACR4?
Actually,
It's graphics. Graphics is the next big push.
Okay.
So the FTR white room for graphics and this PCR and is it shading also with that?
I think graphics and shading are the next big push because those will be rooms that will be supporting operations in PCR5 and ACR5.
Telling that to
Kid's doing amazing.
That's it.
You and him are accusing mistake is still afloat.
No, if you that, then I'm just a small guy in the totem pole, man.
Anybody that can pick up the ball the way that you can is no small guy.
Shit. Well,